So how do you use AI for business? Let's actually ask AI and see. Hi, I'm Bill Carmody, and in this session, I'm actually going to use artificial intelligence to tell you how to use artificial intelligence. How cool is that? It'll be an example that you can see what we're actually up to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my presentation, but actually I'm going to go live to chat and show you how easy it is. So I will just ask the question, how do I use artificial intelligence for business? And what you can see is immediately it's going to start giving me the highlights. So this is not me doing this. This is the actual artificial intelligence, and I'll show you how to use this tool in a little bit. But essentially, you can see there are several ways that businesses can use artificial intelligence. Number one, customer service. AI-powered chatbots can provide 24-hour a day, 7-day a week customer service and resolve customer queries quickly. Marketing and sales, I'll get into that today, about algorithms and using businesses to personalize marketing campaigns and better inform sales decisions by analyzing customer data. Predictive maintenance, and looking at sort of what that means. Specifically, how do you identify things that are going to happen before they happen so you can reduce downtime and maintenance costs in an organization. Supply chain optimization, using businesses to optimize their supply chain for analyzing data from multiple sources and real time. Fraud detection and AI algorithms to help identify large amounts of data that detect patterns in indicative of fraud, helping use businesses to stay ahead of fraudsters. And human resource management, automating routine HR tasks like resuming screens and employee retention. It's important to note that AI can provide significant benefits to business, but implementation should be done carefully, considering ethical and legal considerations. So what's cool about that is that I didn't know exactly what it was going to share, because there's lots of applications of artificial intelligence. And the ones that I'm going to focus on are things like what you just saw inside of business communications. So we can actually use AI chatbots to be able to draft a first version of communications that we might want to use for consumers. It might be a way for you to write business letters. You could use it for productivity around things like blog posts or sharing on social media or even commenting. So we're going to go into a number of those different examples. The thing I want you to be thinking about is, once you start to realize just how powerful artificial intelligence is, you won't be afraid of it. You'll just jump in and start doing some of this work. And that's really what we want to do today, is start to experiment and play and see what are some of those different applications. Now, what I'm going to be focusing on is more of the communications and marketing and digital marketing sides, because that's my background and area of expertise. Understand there's a lot more that can be done here. It's just these are the places that you can do today at no cost, starting with AI chatbots like ChatGPT. And we'll talk a little bit more about what that platform is and how you can use it. The idea is I just wanted to demonstrate here's ways to actually use intelligence gathering, even talking about things like articles like we're doing together. So how might we write an article on the internet, or how might we actually use some of this information to be more effective in our communication and thinking about how we want to share with our audiences. So there's a lot that we're going to be sharing today, and I just wanted to make sure you had a precursor of what that even looked like.